master optimization in calculus. So find the maximum product of two numbers whose sum is 60. First, we want to know what we are optimizing. In this case, we're optimizing product. So that means eventually we're going to take the derivative of the product. But first, let's find out the sum. And we know the sum is 60. So x plus y equals the sum, or x plus y equals 60. Then we want to maximize xy, or the product, and xy will equal the product here. So what we want to do is isolate one of these variables because we're not in multivariable calculus. So let's isolate x. Doesn't really matter in this case. X equals to 60 minus y. Then what we got to do is just put x here, x equals 60 minus y, back into the original product equation. So we'll have 60 minus y times y equals the product. Eventually we'll get product equals to 60y minus y squared. And now since we're optimizing product, we're going to want to take the derivative of the product. So the derivative in respect to y will be equal to dp over dy, which is 60 minus 2y. Now we've got to find the critical values. That's our next step of optimization. And when we find the critical value, that means the derivative will be equal to 0. So 0 equals to 60 minus 2y, then 2y equals 60, and y equals 30. Now we know that we can do this mainly because if we take the second derivative test, it's going to be positive. If we take the second derivative test and it's positive, then we know that it's maximum. So let's say we took the maximum, we took the second derivative, which is, we took the second derivative and it's -2, which means it's negative. So our graph would be facing downwards, which means we have a maximum here. If we have a maximum, then we can automatically say that the derivative, which what we calculated, was 30. So if y equals 30, then we can put this back into the original equation. That means x equals 30, because 60 minus 30 is 30. Now, the question didn't ask if the numbers were distinct or not, so we can just keep x and y as equal to 30. To find the maximum product, we just put it back into xy equals to p, and x equals 30, y equals 30, so 30 times 30 is 900. And that is our answer.